Okay, so I'm going to compare the Sunset Campari and the regular grape tomatoes, and then this little Wild Wonders mix here for you. I'm going to let you know right now that the Campari and the grape tomatoes probably were biologically manipulated in order, I mean, they're all non-GMO, but these were probably biologically manipulated to be more safely harvested by machines. And I can tell because they're very firm, they're very firm. Whereas these Wild Wonders are softer, and so they have been manipulated as well, I'm sure, but not to the degree perhaps that these other ones have. So we will start with the Wild Wonders. I'll start with the red one. A nice burst of sweetness and sourness that came out at the same time. Reminds me of another brand that has one called Cherubs. And the yellow one. Also a nice burst of sweet and sour. I like it. Now, I'm just going to skip over here to point out that this is about the same size. Okay, now try the orange one. Less sweet, less sour. Compared to the last two, it's kind of a letdown. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention I did rinse all of these earlier, because you should always rinse tomatoes because they are sprayed so much with pesticides. And finally, we'll do this one. That was a bit better than the orange one. I would still say that the yellow and red ones were the best of the four. Also, the skin of this dark red one was kind of thick. Okay, so this is the, I guess, grape tomatoes, or sunset tomatoes. Nice, strong sweetness and sourness to that. I like that one. I think I like it better than the Wild Wonders. And finally, the Campari. Also nice tomato, lots of liquid. I would say it's not quite as good as the Sunset tomatoes, but it is nice. The outside of this is very thick, both the skin and the meat, which is one way you can tell if a tomato has been bred to be picked by machines. Nice. No, good. I think that this is going to be my favorite, and then the red and yellow ones from the Wild Wonders, and I think are about as good as the Campari, and then the other two, the orange and the dark red ones, were not as enjoyable, but still a nice variety. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.